Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make fudge. This is an old fudge recipe. I'll be using cocoa powder, butter, honey, sugar, milk and espresso. And I usually serve it with espresso coffee in these Demitasse coffee cups. The texture for this fudge is sandy and I wish you will try it. Here I added cocoa powder that I sifted, sugar and honey. To that I will add half a cup milk and half a cup espresso coffee. You could use 1 cup milk only. Add that in and whisk. You need to sift the cocoa powder to avoid any lumps. Now turn on the heat and continue to whisk from the beginning till the end. Do not stop. Also, you need candy thermometer for this recipe. Now the temperature is 91, so continue to whisk. Now it's 107. After 104, it will take so long to rise one temperature. This is degrees centigrade. Now it's 112. One more to go, so be patient. Now it's 113. Turn off the heat and first we need to make a taste to see if we are at the right point or not. You take 1 drop and let it cool down, and then the consistency should be just like that. Now you know it's ready. At this point add butter and vanilla and whisk. Prepare a baking dish, just to grease it with butter, and then we are going to pour the hot fudge on the in the baking dish. Let it sit before you cut it, and you need a sharp knife for this one. And try to cut small pieces because it's very sweet and very rich. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.